everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. After the recent episode Shaka Ilember abantu ke abaningi showed interest ekwazini kabanzi ngo Celvin Ratladi odlala indawo ka Goloza oyingane ke yendlovukazi yamandwandwe edlala noma ke edlalwa uCarbonina obuye abe umthakathi ke bese kuthi uGoloza emsebenzisa for imsebenzi yakhe yobumnyama. So ke guys, the previous episode kulapho ke indlovukazi igcine iphoqeleka ukuhlanganisa uGoloza nomndeni wamandwandwe. Igama ke lika Goloza la ngempela uCelvin Ratladi, born and bred eWitbank eMpumalanga ngo-1991 January 29. He is a South African director, writer, actor, performer and choreographer. Last year 2022 was winning like SAFTA's Outstanding Person with a Disability Contributor Award. Ratladi has appeared in many theatre productions since 2013. Uphinde ke abe ngumbhali wezincwadi. He also holds a BTech degree in drama from Tshwane University of Technology. He graduated from the Department of Drama and Film in 2016. He is a UP Master's degree candidate. uCelvin ke uthi ke uyakwazi ke ukukhuluma izilimi eziningi zala eSouth Africa, including English, isiZulu, isiXhosa, Sepedi, Setswana and isiSuthu. Okuyikhona ke lokhu kumsize kakhulu lapha yana ke kuShaka Ilember njengoba i-character yakhe ifuna umuntu ke okhuluma isiZulu. Truly speaking guys, bengiye ngimbone nami but bengamnaki, kodwa ke after evele lapha yana ke kuShaka nangendlela adlala ngakhona i-character yakhe, I developed nami ke i-interest yokumazi kangcono namagalelo akhe ke la kwi-art industry. Let's give him his flower while he is still alive. He is indeed doing an amazing job. uGoloza noma ke uCelvin Ratladi. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion about his character and how he portrayed it ngokwakho ke ukubona. Bye.